Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel for another 60-second review. In this video, I'm going to be talking about some new brow products from L'Oreal. They are the Brow Stylist Boost and Set. There are 4 shades in this collection: a clear, a blonde, a light brown, and a dark brown. These are a volumizing brow mascara, supposedly a gel mousse hybrid formula that you're supposed to use to set and even build your brows. They come with a comb like I've never really seen before. It's so unlike the smaller spoolies that I'm used to using on my brows, and I really like it. The length is super nice for applying product quickly, more quickly than the smaller ones, and yet it's thin enough to get a really precise application even at the thinnest part of your brow. I love it. Despite being called a mousse, I would still totally call this an opaque gel formula, and it has tiny little fibers in it, so it really does help build the volume of your brows. That said, if you have super sparse brows or want to actually fill out beyond your natural, where your natural brow hairs lie, you will still need to go fill in your brows with a pencil or a pomade. Overall, I really like this formula for how pigmented it is, how easily it adds a little bit of volume to my brows, how it sets my brows without making them feel crunchy or rigid throughout the day, and they're easily layerable. So I normally wear light brown, but today I layered light brown under dark brown to get a little bit more depth and a deeper, more structured and voluminous brow. Basically, these have kind of become my everyday brow product, and bonus, they're super affordable. They'll be between $8 and $10 wherever, like at drugstores, places where you can find L'Oreal. I hope you enjoyed the 60-second review. Let me know what you want to see a quick little review of in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye guys!